Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Abuzari Fasya, student ID 1925048 from class 19.201. Today I would like to present about computer and hardware. Definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that can receive data, process it, and produce useful information. Computers can also store data for future use. Today, computers are used in many fields such as education, business, health, transportation, and communication. People use computers to make their work easier, faster, and more accurate. History of computer. In the past, computers were very large and expensive. They could only be used by big companies or governments. However, technology has developed very quickly. Now, computers are smaller, faster, cheaper, and more powerful. Today, almost everyone can use a computer at home, school, or office. Function of computer. Content. Education, communication, entertainment, business, and office work. Data management. A computer is an electronic device that can receive data, process it, and produce useful information. Computers can also store data for future use. Today, computers are used in many fields such as education, business, health, transportation, and communication. People use computers to make their work easier, faster, and more accurate. Types of computer. Content. Desktop computer, laptop, tablet, server, supercomputer. There are several types of computer. Desktop computers are commonly used in homes and office. Laptops are portable and easy to carry anywhere. Tablets are smaller and use touch screens. Servers are used to store and manage network data. Supercomputers are very powerful computers used for scientific research and complex calculation. Advantage of computer: fast processing, easy communication, large storage, access to information, improves productivity. Computers provide many advantages for people. They can process data very quickly and accurately. Computers also help people communicate easily through the internet. Another advantage is large storage capacity for field and documents. People can also access information from around the world in just a few seconds. Because of this advantage, computer improve productivity in many areas. Disadvantage of computer: content, health problems, internet addiction, cybercrime, expensive maintenance. Basic advantage: computer also have some disadvantage. Using computer for a long time can cause eye strain and back pain. Some people become addicted to online games or social media. Cybercrime such as hacking and data theft is also a serious problem. In addition, computers require maintenance and sometimes cost a lot of money. Consolation. In consolation, computers are very important in modern life. They help people study, work, communicate, and access information more easily. Although computers have some disadvantage, they are still very useful when used wisely and responsibly. Thank you for listening to my presentation. And then hardware. Definition of hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer system. Unlike software, Hardware can be seen and touched directly. Hardware and software work together to make a computer function properly. Without hardware, a computer cannot operate. Input device. Input device are hardware components used to enter data into a computer. For example, a keyboard is used to type text and numbers. A mouse helps user control the cursor on the screen. A scanner copies printed documents into digital form. A microphone and webcam are used for audio and video communication. Output device. Output device display or produce information from a computer. For example, monitor display image and text on a screen. Printers produce physical copies of documents. Speaker produce sound such as music or video. Projectors are often used for presentation in classroom and meetings. Processing device contain CPU, motherboard, RAM. The CPU or central processing unit is known as the brain of the computer because it processes in instruction and data. The motherboard connects all hardware components together. RAM or random access memory temporarily stores data while programs are running. These components are very important for computer performance. Storage device. Storage device are used to permanently store data and files. For example, hard disk drives can store large amounts of data. SSDs are faster and more efficient than traditional hard disks. Flash drivers and memory cards are easy to use portable storage device. Importance of hardware. Hardware is very important because it supports all computer activities. Without hardware, software cannot run properly. Today, hardware in use in schools, office, hospitals, and many other places. Good hardware can improve computer speed and performance. Consolation. In consolation, hardware is an essential part of a computer system. Each hardware component has its own function and responsibility. Hardware works together with software to help users complete tasks efficiently. Thank you and for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.